everybody. Welcome back to Narayana Group of Educational Institutions. As you all know that JEE Mains examination is going on, and today we are here to capture the live reactions of the students of JEE Mains Session 1. So here I have Vaishnavi with me. Hi Vaishnavi.
Hi.
Yeah. So Vaishnavi, tell us that how was your paper? Which section did you find the most difficult? What section was easy? Over to you, Vaishnavi.
Comparatively, physics, I felt chemistry is easy, and all the questions are from NCRT level, and physics little bit, but we can attempt maximum 10 or 11 questions. And maths, I felt difficult.
Was it lengthy?
Yeah, calculations were tough, and in that tension, we can't do calculation also.
Calculations, yeah. So like for how many marks did you attempt the exam?
Hi. So how was the paper?
It was good.
Would you like to give the moderate? Which section did you find difficult?
Maths.
And what about physics and chemistry? Was it good?
Easy type some.
Easy. Yes.
It was moderate.
It was moderate. So which section did you find the most difficult?
It was math.
Math. Okay. And what about physics and chemistry? Was it good?
Yeah.
Yeah. How many questions did you attempt?
15 in physics and chemistry it was 16.
And what about math?
It was 8.
Okay.
Yeah. So what's your name?
Naresh.
So how's your exam?
Really great.
It was really great. So what section did you find the most difficult, and what was the easiest section?
Easy section physics.
Physics was the easiest.
Physics yes. As chemistry is average.
Chemistry was average. And how was mathematics?
Madam is some hard.
Hard. Was it lengthy?
Lengthy is
And what about physics? Which chapters and which topics were the easiest, and from which topics the most of the questions were there?
electric fields and charges, moving and charges, moving and magnetism.
Okay. So electrostats was too much.
Yes.
So what do you think that how many questions you have attempted?
10 questions in physics,
Okay. And
10 in chemistry, and 10 in maths.
Okay. So are you ready for are you going to give your phase 2 paper?
Yes.
Yes. So all the very best for your scores. Okay. So which out of grade 11 and 12, so which part came more? 11th or 12th?
Most probably both
Equivalent. Okay. Okay. So how many questions did you attempt?
approximately 42.
Okay. So are you confident enough that all of them are good?
Yes.
Okay. So all the very best for your exam.
But in disappointing point was in chemistry, inorganic questions were 3 to 4.
Yeah, so the number of questions in inorganic was more. This is what you want to
Organic
say.
was more.
Organic was more, alright. So how was your...
Organic and physical was more. Organic and physical was equivalent. They are more quantity compared to inorganic. Inorganic was only 4 questions.
Alright. And then organic questions came more. So how did your organic paper go?
Not that good chemistry.
Chemistry not that
Sorry.
good.
Organic is good, but physical last time some mistake. Last
You
moment.
made in the last moment you made some mistakes. So overall your paper went good, right? Thank you. We wish you all the very best.
Ritik Sharma.
Ritik Sharma. Alright. So Ritik, how was your paper?
Nice.
You look very happy. So are you satisfied with the paper?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, you're satisfied. Alright. So which section did you find the most difficult, and what was the easiest?
I thought maths was somewhat difficult, but chemistry was easy.
Chemistry was good. Okay. So what came most? Organic, inorganic, or physical?
Organic.
Organic questions came more. And how was your organic? How did it go? Mathematics, which chapter or which section will be most difficult, or like you find difficult?
Integration, the part is there not to remember.
Yeah. All right. Integration has always been a nightmare for a lot of students. It was a nightmare for me. So all right. Thank you very much, and we wish you
All the very best. Hey, what's your name?
Sai Kumar.
Okay. So are you ready for your exam?
Yes.
Fully prepared? Okay. So which subject is your strongest one?
Chemistry.
Chemistry. And what about physics and math? You are going to rock into that.
Yes.
My name is Sheikh Hussain Junaidi, and I am from Gulbarga, Karnataka.
And you've come here in Hyderabad for the examination.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how was the paper?
Yeah, the paper was well and good. I have not attempted maths question because I am a NEET student, and
So why are you preparing for the JEE exam?
because it's a side.
All right. So you just came here to check here how good you are with the paper.
Yeah, to check the competition where I stand.
All right.
Yeah.
So how was your physics and chemistry part?
Yeah, chemistry was easy and physics was moderate.
Okay. So
Maths questions were direct, so I have not attempted because I have not prepared for maths.
okay. So which part from physics do you think that came more?
Uh, Physics, fluids was also, there were 2 to 3 questions of fluids, and they were all equal weightages. And current electricity 2 questions, inductance 1 to 2 questions, and dimension, units and dimension 2 questions were there. That were also easy.
Okay, so some direct questions also came.
Yeah, direct questions.
What about chemistry? What do you think?
Chemistry was also somewhat tricky, and some questions were also easy. And organic was little as compared to other shifts. Other shifts organic was more, and in this shift organic was less.
So, like, what questions came from organic or inorganic?
Organic questions were also direct and not more complicated. They were easy.
Yeah. What about physical chemistry?
Physical chemistry, yeah, it was also moderate, and inorganic was also very easy questions of inorganic.
Inorganic. What was the question? Were the questions direct or like there was certain, they changed the question?
We can eliminate the options and we can just answer the question.
Again, exceptions in physical chemistry.
No, exception.
No, since you're a NEET student, so that's why we asked particularly about your physical chemistry. So,
It's easy.
physical chemistry was easy.
Yeah, moderate.
All right, that's good. Thank you so much, and we wish you all the very best for your NEET exam.